Hey everyone, Dave here. I just want to share a quick video with you around the home screen widgets on iPad on iOS 13. You can reveal the widgets just by moving from the left hand side of the screen to the right, and you can see all these shortcuts and widgets which sort of provide updates and notifications of any app that you wish to add to this. So it's really a quick access guide to features throughout your iPad. You can either just minimize it by pushing it to the side, okay, and revealing it again, or you can customize. So if you don't want some of these things to be there, you can scroll to the very bottom and it reveals the edit button, and then you can see what apps you have on the widget already, which are these ones here with the red minus symbol, and then you can come down here and you can see all the other suggested apps that you can have as widgets, and by hitting the plus you then add those to that home screen. You can go through and explore all the ones that you like, but the one that I find really handy is the plus for batteries. And if I hit done and I move across, you can see that the batteries is at the bottom. I actually want that at the top because it's one I use most often as a visual. So let's hit done. Now what I like about the battery widget is that it shows the percentage of the Apple Pencil. So if you've got one of these guys and you are using it regularly, there's no way to tell in any of the other menu structures how much percentage the battery on the Apple Pencil has. So by adding that battery as a widget, you can see that obviously your iPad you can see here or up here, but the pencil, there's no other way to see that on the iPad. So that's the only way I've found that you can see the battery percentage for the Apple Pencil, and I think that's a really good one to add to the home screen widget. Now you can see you can flick and move it as needed, or you can go right to the very bottom, hit edit, and if you want it to stay there you can choose that one, and then you can have pinned favorites. So I'll just have the battery one, for example. So now when I cannot move that, okay, but I can then remove the other ones and then just have the battery percentage there as a reminder I need to charge or so on. And just another tip that by plugging in your Apple Pencil for 18 seconds gives you 30 minutes of charge, so can always get through a lesson easily with the Apple Pencil. So there you go, that's how to use the home screen widget, and that's my favorite feature, the batteries one.